Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Good morning. Finally we arrived at our destination, which is Kuala Selangor Nature Park at 11 AM.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL DZULKIFFLY. If you look around, you might wonder, is there any facilities here? If you think like that, you might totally wrong. Today, I will talk about facilities at Kuala Selangor Nature Park, KSNP. So here they have several facilities such as walking and trekking trails. Now we are at Mangrove Walkway. The length is 1.5 kilometers and it takes 55 minutes to finish the trail. There are also other trails, which is Pangolin Trail, Egret Trail, Langu Trail, and the longest one is Coastal Bind. Next is accommodation. If you're planning to overnight here, KSNP provide various of accommodation such as frame huts, chalet, dormitories, and campsite ground.
We will be explained by ASHIKIN about this observation tower.
So the third one is observation tower. So for this tower, situated around 25-acre man-made brackish lake system, and what the best thing is, you can watch the whole view of Kuala Selangor Nature Park. After you climb the 3-story observation tower, you will be rewarded by the magnificent view of Nature Park. Behind me is seminar halls. The seminar hall can fit around 80 people maximum and well equipped with air conditioner and basic facilities. Not to forget, it is also available for rent. The last one is visitor center. It is open 7 days a week. Surprisingly, it is also open on public holiday from 9 AM to 5:30 PM. So what visitor can do here? Let's go. What visitors can do here is they can purchase souvenirs, merchandise from here.
Next, I will give to AIMAN to introduce you about the mangrove lake.
And this is the lake, as we can see here, and it's connected to the mangrove area. This is the lake system. Nah itu. As you can see here, this is the 20-acre man-made lake that is now a resting place for approximately 156 species of birds, and which are 57 of them are migratory. It's transferred here, and we can see here now the lake has a lot of trees, a mangrove tree, because it is combined with the mangrove. So we can see the lake is actually quite big. And one of the activities that we can do here is sightseeing, and make sure you have to bring your own binoculars or you have to bring camera, and you might miss some of the birds. We can see some of the birds here, but you cannot zoom it. Okay, this is a close-up view of the lake. You can see the lake is very wide. You can see the end of the there. The lake is very big. So okay, there are several observation towers like we just go previously, and this is another observation tower. You can see here, the observation tower, where you can spot many animals, birds especially, like eagles, bee eaters, and kingfishers. And this is the lake. You can see here, it's home of many fishing. We such as snails. There are even prawns and fishes, and there are trees like lotus flower. And these all animals are especially help the ecosystem to work together, where the birds have to eat their food here, and we cannot fish here. So you can see there are bees here, the flower. The lake is very big. You see.
Caught on camera.
You can see, that's one of the creatures in this lake.
Aiman, cuba berenang. Jatuh nanti. Jatuh nanti kau tenggelam tau. Sebab
Bro, come on, bro. Bro, come on. Come on, bro. What's up, bro? So big. Okay, this is a crack. I don't know why top is it. So, this is a storage house. It's stated that the storage house keep fertilizers, and they have tools to keep the environment clean. You can see the environment here. It's quite clean. Fertilizers here. This is to help the environment and ecosystem to become more consistent, and it will not ruin the ecosystem.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I will interview one of the visitor here. So, what is your name, sir?
Peter.
Peter. So this person is named Peter. What are you doing here?
I'm here for bird shooting.
Bird shooting. Oh, what kind of bird are you shooting?
Any kind of birds that we find. So far, I managed to get some woodpeckers and blue heron.
Blue heaven. Oh. Are you enjoying this?
Yes.
Experience?
Yeah.
Oh.
Me and my friend been here many times already.
Anytime already. Oh, I can
Yeah,
see.
that's why certain time got birds here because now September to October is the migration season over here. So we just try and see whatever birds we can get.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's all for our interview with Peter. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Peter.
Hi everyone, my name is Irdina Madihah, and right now I am standing at the top floor of the observation tower. So right now I am going to explain about animals that live here at the nature park. There are varieties of species of birds that actually live here at the park. There are also a variety of species of birds that are migrating from another country. By watching birds here, you will surely be carried away and amazed for a while when watching the birds. There are also a few huts have been built here at the facilities for visitors who are interested to watch the wild animals of the forest flying freely. So if you really want to do activities such as watching birds, you can actually bring your own binoculars and camera so that you do not miss any chance of seeing birds. Next, there are also monkeys, lotong and ape. There are hundreds of apes in the park. You are able to watch the antics of their wildlife. Lotong, on the other hand, is a tame animal. Lotong children are orange in color. These animals live freely by eating shoots, leaves, and forest fruits that surround that area. So as you can see, from my behind, there are a lot of apes that are climbing the tree and live freely in this forest. So right now, as you can see from behind me, there are actually a lotong, a mother of lotong, and their children sitting on the tree right now. Lotong or silver-leaf monkey is a monkey that is legally protected by our country because these monkeys are a rare species of monkey that can only be found in Peninsular Malaysia. The silver-leaf monkey eats shoots and fruits that grow in the forest.
The children of silver-leaf monkeys are born in a different color compared to the adults, which is a bright orange. After 3 months, the young silver-leaf monkey will start to change the color of their fur to gray, which is the color of the adult silver-leaf monkey. There are other species of monkey that live in the forest too.
Okay, so lastly, there are also reptiles such as big iguanas and small lizards here at the nature park. They usually live around the lake or the mangrove forest, where they can easily find food such as fish there.
There are a variety of types of reptiles or lizards that live in this nature park. In the morning, you can find rough-skinned skink sunbathing in the sun. There are also green-crested lizards that can change their body color to green or brown.
We will enter the mangrove area. So this is about what we see about the mangrove. And Syafiqah will introduce us about this mangrove area.
Thank you to our narrator NAJMI. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NADIHAH Syafiqah binti SHAMSHU. So today, I would like to share with all of you about mangroves. As you can see, at my back, we can see a lot of mangrove tree. Yes, mangrove tree. First, let's find out what is mangroves. Mangroves are a group of trees and shrubs that live in the coastal intertidal zone. All of these trees grow in areas with low oxygen soil where slow-moving waters allow fine sediments to accumulate. Mangroves are important to people because they help to stabilize ecosystem and prevent occasion. Mangroves also provide protection to nearby populated areas by preventing erosion and absorbing storm surge impacts during extreme weather such as hurricanes. They are also natural habitat for the wild animals in the park. There are 95 hectares of mangrove swamp forest awaits you to be ventured and uncover its secrets and mysteries at Kuala Selangor Nature Park. In my opinion, Kuala Selangor Nature Park is the best place to learn about mangrove forest ecosystem in Selangor. You will discover a lot of wildlife here and appreciate the marine ecosystem. Kuala Selangor Nature Park is lucky to have survived the encroachment of human development. Nevertheless, many other mangroves in the country do not share a similar fate. That means mangrove forests here require our attention and conservation. As you can see in this video, a lot of trees are fell due to the bad weather. This is how the bad weather can impact the mangrove trees. Okay, so there are also mangrove tree planting program by OCBC Care. So here the process of planting the mangrove trees. You can see this. Okay, so we are showing you the one of the procedure to planting the mangrove trees.
Okay, this is the seed of the mangrove and we put it in the soil bag. And we're done.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini saya akan meneramah salah satu pengunjung di sini. Apa nama itu? Mr. Chi. Mr. Chi. Okay, Mr. Chi. Apakah yang menarik anda untuk datang ke sini?
Oh, untuk tengok sini ada apa-apa lah, hutan pokok monyet sudah lama tak lama ni hutan-hutan lah.
Pernah datang sini ke?
Pernah kali pertama.
Adakah anda ni seronok untuk datang sini?
Okey lah, seronok tempat banyak ni dia tak tengok.
Kita boleh refresh lah.
Ada sungai
nak datang lagi ke sini? Nak datang lagi ke kat sini?
Lain kali ada mungkin lah bawa keluarga mari ya.
Okay, itu saja. Terima kasih.
Okey, sama-sama.